Welcome again to another live. It's your girl Faniquca. Yes, guys, my name is Faniquca. Somebody sent me a message today. And they spelled my name wrong. It was VA. So me I say like, wow, you're, it's so weird. Come me I say you're interested in me, but you couldn't even spend the time out to get the spelling of my name right, and it's spelled for my social media something. Oh my. Gotcha. Guys, rain a come. Anyway, guys, today on the live, guys, David Neal, you're always first to be on my live. Sam Bakazm Bascombi. I saw your name. Guys, the rain is coming. I got to move. Wait. I have to move from where I am, guys, because the rain. Oh my god. And I out of door live, me say me I do today, guys. Out of door live. Me yeah, me just bring down the camera a little bit. Because I know I got to say hey to you. Okay. Hi, Dubai. That me not like with the ring light, I when it on flat foot. The rain, man, the rain. Sure. Oh, hi. Hi, trending team. Hey, guys. I kind of wanted to do a stand up live today, but the rain coming down. The rain, let's see if it will stop. I don't even know if that will stop right now. And this is. Oh, thank you, Mahi. Mahi. Thank you, Mahi. Yeah, thanks for the compliment. Come on, rain. Want the rain to go away. Guys, this rain doesn't look like it'll go stop anytime. See you. Oh, love you too. Bye. Okay, guys. So, listen up here. So, move back up the screen, guys, because I'm from Jamaica, guys. I'm from Jamaica. Listen up here. I don't know. Guys, it now ring like now stunning. How I go? I want me to zoom up. I want me to zoom in myself. Coming up. Wait. How I go? I want me press. Let me feel. Look, I just open my face.